We at Penkraft are in the business of identifying, practicing, teaching, and promoting art forms. This ancient folk art of Warli painting was traditionally practiced by tribal women in what is today Maharashtra, expressing themselves in vivid styles executed on the walls of their houses, depicting not mythology or deities, but everyday social life. Loose rhythmic patterns with pictures of humans hunting, dancing, sowing, harvesting, etc., trees, birds, domestic and wild animals. This Warli Painting Masterclass by Penkraft is an intense 7 days offline training conceived and conducted by our master trainers, teaches you this art from scratch and gets you to master it. You shall start by learning to draw basic shapes to create human forms, male and female, a variety of trees, flora and fauna. Then move on to learn settings, situations and compositions. You shall thereafter learn the traditional two-color painting technique and progress to fusion or multicolor painting technique and other modern innovations and variations. You shall conclude with finishing care and maintenance of Warli masterpieces. You shall start with creating this art on cartridge paper and then move on to other surfaces. You shall create a nature scenery on canvas, dance theme on tote bag, tree motif on photo frame, hunting scene on wall mirror, and daily routine scene on round MDF. All material for the course is provided by Penkraft, and all you need to bring with you is your enthusiasm to learn.
The next batch starts on 19th April and will be conducted from 11 am to 6 pm every day till 25th April.
To ensure personal guidance by the master to each participant, the batch size is limited to 6. Early sign-ups also get a massive discount of 20% on the fee. So, hurry up and call us on 9136024248 or 73040 88833 to sign up for this Warli Painting Masterclass.